Yan! Yun ang tama! Ang dami nagsasabi. Manong, balik nyo na yung pitchel. Sana yung pitchel mix. Eto na! Soju, Mountain Dew, tas Proyo. Ikaw nag-invento nitong halo na to eh. Mountain Soju? Bakit?
Okay, bakit ba?
Okay, so, lagyan mo ng isang buong soju. Pero may topic tayo. Ikaw habang naghahalo ako mamaya, pag-usapan mo yung topic natin. Which is, about yan sa mga toxic na family members or kamag-anak or family relatives. Hinalo to ni Ivay kanina. May soju to, tsaka may Proyo. So, ilalagay na din natin dito.
Soju pitch pala yan, just for reference. Ito is soju what?
Grape.
Green grape.
Ayan. Proyo strawberry.
Okay, so ang topic is about toxic family members, right?
Oo.
Pag sinabi mong toxic, what comes first in your mind?
Alam ko na pag-usapan ko na yan sa previous video ko, which is ito. Marami, may 9 signs yon na pwede mong, parang yung 9 signs na yun nagde-determine na toxic ang isang tao, family member, or kahit anuman.
What's the best one word or like your best description of someone toxic?
Doon na tayo sa pinaka top of the food chain, yung pinakamataas talaga, which is abusive.
Abusive, okay. That's the common toxic trait of Filipino parents, as they say. Na,
Hindi lang sa parents, kundi pati na rin sa mga kamag-anak. Okay?
Okay, let's put it that way. Pero majority kasi pag, like, let's say,
Oh, shit.
you go online and the memes and stuff, right? They would say toxic Filipino trait or toxic Filipino parents, something like that. And yes, abuse is one of those. But what do we mean by abuse? Usually people think of it as physical abuse, but it's not. It doesn't just it doesn't just limit or it doesn't just stop sa physical abuse. Meron din tayong verbal abuse, emotional abuse, mental abuse, stuff like that, okay? And pag ganun kasi,
Yellow!
when it comes to these kinds of things, kailangan mapapansin mo agad yung mga red flags sa pagiging toxic ng isang tao. And since Manong Jar had a previous video about that, I suggest you watch that as well. Either you pause this video or after watching this video, you watch that.
We're giving you 3 seconds to pause this video at balikan yung video na yon. 3, 2, 1, okay.
Paano mo siya i-handle at kung anong dapat mong gawin. Is that right?
Yup!
Wow, parang BPO lang Clarifying the customer's concern. So, ayun muna. Doon muna tayo sa how to identify someone toxic. There are many ways for someone to be toxic.
Wait lang.
Let's start rolling.
Salamat, Ricky. Go.
From my knowledge and experience, one of the basic and common signs of a parent that is toxic is lack of privacy.
Oh!
If you feel na parang hindi na nila nirerespeto yung right of privacy mo, and it comes to a point na naapektuhan ng ibang tao sa buhay mo, and they still blame you for it, na it's still your fault and not theirs. That's being toxic for me. Another toxic sign is ginagaslight ka ng sarili mong magulang. Alam naman natin siguro kung ano yung gaslight, di ba? And another sign is yung typical parents na gold diggers sa sariling anak nila.
Oh, shit.
yung gahaman sa pera.
Oh, shit.
Yung katulad nung kay H2O. So,
sino?
another toxic parent is someone na papalayasin ka, tapos papauwiin ka, papalayasin ka uli. It's a continuous cycle. And then, in the end, is ginagaslight ka pa rin na it's your fault, it's not ours. You're just our child and we're the parents. You have no right against us.
Magandang topic yan, butang ina! Masahiwalay na topic yon. Tuloy mo lang.
So, those are the most signs that I can provide to you, pero marami pang ibang signs marami pang ways for someone or for someone in the family to be toxic to you. Another, siguro, one of the most common toxic trait na masasabi natin sa pamilya is yung kino-compare ka and hindi ka na-appreciate to a point na parang halimbawa, ako yung family member. Tapos ikaw, let's say, sabihin natin, bakit ang payat-payat mo na? Hindi ka ba kumakain?
Grabe,
Yung grades mo, kamusta? Ba't bagsag-bagsak? Nag-aaral ka ba ng mabuti? Yung magulang mo, yung ginagawa, tignan mo, taghirap na naman kayo, ganyan-ganyan.
Parang masyado nung ano yan, close to realism.
Kasi dati,
Kilala mo kung sino ka!
co-collaborating other people's reality, like reality of person A and reality of person C. Hindi ko sila pinag-mix. I put an example based on the reality of person A itself and the reality of person C and the reality of person B without having them cross-posting each other or crossing each other. Since ma-identify mo naman na kung sino or kung ano yung mga toxicity ng parents or ng family natin, first of all, when it's a repetitive action and nothing changes and makes you feel less about yourself. Who is that?
May kumatok. Test!
Nasaan na ako sa topic?
About sa repetitive na yung actions. Taste!
Ayun. I would rate it as 7. Okay.
Bakit?
So, back at the topic at hand. If it's a repetitive action, negative yung impact niya sa'yo na it's making you feel less about yourself and about your future or about your life in general. I think that's the simplest way for you to identify if someone is being toxic to you. Para ka lang binubuli. So, once na-identify mo na toxic sila, how would you deal with that person? That depends on the level of their toxicity.
9.
If it's something that can be changed from that person. Like, kasi meron kasing taong toxic na pwede mo pang mabago. Like, they're still kind of open. Na there's still a way for you to break that chain from them. And there's also a person na talagang, nope, they're just gonna close the gates, it defeats the gates of heaven. Kapag naka-encounter ka na ng ganong tao na no chance of survival at all, like, you really can't cope with that person, cut it off.
Yes!
Disconnect with that person. You don't have the time, the effort, the energy, and you don't have the right to waste your life for a person that doesn't deserve to be a part of it.
Yan! Yun ang tama! Yun ang tama!
Huwag mo nang pahirapan sarili mo kasi at the end of the day, ikaw lang din ang magsisisi na kung mas maaga ko tong binitawan, mas maaga ako nakapag-cut off dito, I would have had more time for my future. Don't waste your opportunities for people,
Dito mo mapapasok ang iwan pati pamilya.
Kahit pamilya mo pa. Kahit pamilya mo pa.
Yes, that is kind of true in a way. Pero it depends on the situation, ha?
Iwan pati pamilya. May pagka Yakult na may strawberry.
She really does look fat
Because she is fat.
in this angle.
So ayun mga konggoy, nasabi ko na ata 9 flat. Kasi para sa akin masarap naman siya. Okay siya, pwede siyang pangbakbakan. Yung mga mahilig sa soju, pwede na. Pwede na. Hashtag sorry liver and hashtag drink responsibly. For more of these kinds of topics, join the channel. Mag-upload kami ng mga full-on episodes ng mga podcast namin para sa mga naka-join button. Kasi nga, ayaw ni YouTube ng sobrang habang video, kaya ilalagay naman na lang namin sa mga members only. Ang mga podcast namin, full podcast. Marami kayong matututunan doon. Baka kukuha pa kami ng mga guests doon para sa podcast na yun. Abangan nyo.
Marunong ka mag-record ng live stream sa Facebook.
Hindi.
Pero kaya ba natin ma-record yun?
Kaya. Pag pinag-aralan. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jaire said so.
And Ibay! So, by the way, guys, pala, this is my channel. Sorry for shamelessly plugging myself.
Okay lang, ipa-plug
This is
ko
the
din.
channel. This is my Facebook. Subscribe and follow. Dude, what the fuck?
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Shoutout nga pala sa comment of the day.
Sino kaya yung hype na yan?
Abangan ng mga podcast, malulupit yun. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Mag-join na kayo.